Hi guys, today I'm gonna the few followers I have. Today I only have like 2, and there are people I don't know. Today the followers, please follow me, gosh, please. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make one of the most annoying sounds you've ever heard. Okay, I might not be able to teach you, but you'll hear it. Definitely hear it. It's annoying, really annoying. Okay, so first things first, this is how you make the sound. Well, this is what it sounds like. Might not be annoying right now. It gets annoying. After like the 4th time, it gets really annoying. You just have to, yeah, so you don't go, you have to use your cheek. You go, that's why I can't taste it. You can also push on this cheek and go, that's pretty much it to it. I can't really show you how, but for a prank, I'll do this for you. You just put that in their ears, go. No, go. Please subscribe and